Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on PayPal. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of PayPal, click the gear button at the top right hand corner right next to log out. Now, from the account tab, click on the change button right next to phone numbers. To change your primary phone number, you'll need to add a new one and make that your primary. Then only you'll be able to change your phone number on PayPal. Click Add New and enter the phone number in the text box you'd like to change to. Once you type in your phone number, click Add Phone Number button. Soon after you do that, verify your phone number on the next page by typing in the verification code that has been sent to your new number. Once you add a phone number, delete your current phone number and you'll be able to change your phone number right away. That is how you can easily change your phone number on PayPal account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.